There's a project in itself, tearing this building down because the snow caved it in. And come out here and throw all those little pieces of wood in a wheelbarrow.
After we get that sink out of here, let's just fold these back over and leave it like that for the winter. We're not going to build this up right now.
No, I thought we were tearing it down.
Not all of it. We could, but I don't want to tear that apart. That's still sound.
That's a weird way they built that.
Yeah, if that was built the same way, might be something we can do. Anyway, I'm going to look at it. We don't have time to build a new shed or the money to do it.
I wasn't going to build it. I was just going to tear it apart. Put the 2x4s into place and build the thing up right. The frame it right. That's not framed right.
The 4s are going to go in there for now. I'm going to get this out of here for now. Your sink.
We'll expose the sink and then we'll show what the sink is and we'll move it. And put all that stuff back in there, right?
Yeah, I think that's what I'm
thinking.
Okay,
all right.
Get this over with. I'd like to build something we could put the lawnmower in during the winter. So we wouldn't have to put it in there and maybe put the car in the garage.
What do you think, Burwell? That was what we should do?
Spiders made their home in here and died with it. You got something?
Yeah. Where are you going to put that?
I'm going to put that in the house.
I'll put it in the wheelbarrow and...
The wheelbarrow? That's a good idea.